How to turn off My AI on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can turn off My AI on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to turn off My AI on Snapchat, all you have to do is go ahead and then make sure to launch the Snapchat application here. Once you launch a Snapchat app, you will see this type of interface where what you need to do is just tap the profile icon from the top left of the screen to come to your Bitmoji page. Then make sure to just tap the gear icon here. Now over here you can see Snapchat Plus. So if you have Snapchat Plus, only then you will be able to turn off My AI. So let me show you how it works. If I just come to the chat page over here, as you'll be able to find it, and you can see My AI at the very top of the screen. Only if I long press on this My AI and then I go to chat settings, I will be able to find the option called turn off My AI. But if you don't have that option, it simply means you don't have Snapchat Plus. So you might want to just make sure to upgrade to Snapchat Plus over here, and then only you will be able to turn off My AI. Other than that, Snapchat will not let you remove it from your feed. So hope this video helped you understand the question. If you have got any more queries, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.